Welcome to the pre-market report of 6/7/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,874. Top CPR is in 15,906. Bottom CPR is in 15,842. R1 placed in 15,963 and R2 placed in 16,114. R3 placed in 16,203. S1 placed in 15,722 and S2 placed in 15,634 and S3 placed in 15,482. The center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 33,978. Top CPR is in 34,059 and bottom CPR is in 33,897. R1 placed in 34,199 and R2 placed in 34,582. and R3 placed in 34,803, S1 placed in 33,595 and S2 placed in 33,374 and S3 placed in 32,991. Let us take the global market first. Yesterday, most of the US market closes firmly in red, especially Nasdaq was up by 1.75%. It indicates there is rally in our IT stock today. While US market opens, it opens more than 1 to 2% down, but at the end of the day, Nasdaq was up by 1.75% and Dow Jones was down by 4.42%. There was huge volatility in US market also. Market opens with lower level and came and closed in green. Yesterday, most of the European market closes firmly in red. Some of the market was down by 3.2%. It indicates our market going to be turned towards down direction. But yesterday our market may reach 16,200 if the European market opens slight positive or slight in flat condition. If it is open like this, definitely there is chance to our market reach 16,200. But it is opened with lower level and closed more than 2% lower, so our market fell from 16,000. If yesterday European market opened with slight green or flat condition, definitely yesterday our market reached 16,200, but it was failed. Right now most of the Asian market trading firmly in red. It indicates our market going to be turned towards down direction, except New Zealand and IDX composite. All the market firmly trading in red. It indicates our market going to be turned towards down direction. But I have a little hope today. Our market will not fall that much. Let us wait and watch. Right now, most of the US future trading in flat condition. Some of the US future was slight negative. Most of the European future was in slight positive condition. So US and European future doesn't give any direction to our market today. Right now Nifty future trading around 15,814. Our previous day close was 15,810. It indicates our market going to be open in flat condition. SGS Nifty also indicating market going to open in flat condition. It is also trading around somewhere around 15,800. Remain one thing, most of the trending day is came from when market opens flat. I hope today going to be a trending day. I did not aware whether the market going to be trend towards up direction or down direction, because there is no clear sign from the global market as well as US future and Asian market. But I hope market will trend in any one of the direction. Whether it is up or down, we need to confirm with the chart of how the market going to be open. The foreign institutional investor bought for 1,295 crores and the domestic institutional investor sold for 257 crores. After a long time, FIIs become a net buyer. It gives more and more positive to our market. That's why I believe market going to be trend towards up direction. If all the global and US and European future is also in negative, but I hope market going to be trend towards down up direction. The only reason is FAS become a net buyer. DAS also did not sell that much. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now 15,500 put option has highest open interest. It has 1,07,693 contract in open condition. So it going to be act as a good support. And moreover 15,700 put option has also 99,527 contract in open condition. So it going to be act as a good support. In call side, 16,000 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,76,844 contract in open condition, as well as 15,900 call option also 1,29,759 contract in open condition. It going to be act as a good resistance. So the option writers believe market going to be expire between 15,900 to 15,700. The range was very narrow, so be cautious. As per the yesterday's close, FAS has 16% long position in index future and 84% short in index future, and domestic institutional investor has 46% long position in index future and 54% short position in index future. FAS increases the long position by 2%, DAA reduces the long position by 3%. There is no much change in index future position, so it doesn't give any direction to our market. The overall view is yesterday US market closed in mixed condition. European market closed firmly in negative. Right now most of the Asian market trading in negative. US future is trading in slight negative. European future also is trading in slight negative. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open in flat condition. FAS in buy side, DAs in sell side. As of now, option writers believe market won't break 15,900 in upside as well as 15,700 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white. After that I marked R1, R2 in green, previous day high in dotted green, previous day low in dotted red. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red. The yellow line is gap order and the blue lines are turning point which market took support and resistance earlier. Today I will not took any trade because I did not get any clear direction right now. The positive and the negative are equal. Yesterday US market closes positive, especially Nasdaq was up by 1.2%. It gives positive direction to our market. And FAS turn into net buyer, it gives more and more positive to our market. But right now Asian market trading in negative, it gives negative direction to our market. And yesterday European market closes firmly in negative, it gives also negative direction to our market. So the overall globally we get positive and negative clues, so there is no clear direction. Most probably I will not take trade today, but my institution feeling says market going to be rally towards 16,200. There is two reasons for that. One is FAS turn into net buyer. Another one is even though all the Asian market trading in negative, SGS Nifty and Nifty future indicating flat opening. Whenever market opens flat, definitely it would be a trending day. Whether the market going to be trend up direction or in down direction, I don't know, but definitely it would be a trending day. I hope market going to be trend towards up direction towards 16,200 by it is my intuition feeling, but I did not go with my intuition feeling. I always go with the technicals. The technicals doesn't give any clear direction, so most probably I will not take any trade today.